Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
We are doing next why about an greeting. I just want to do this podcast quick as I get Naruda where I saw video where about do. Blessing today that our brother do the video where about do today. Blessing today into one about Tobaza. I saw video. I saw the video that he did. So I see video where about about Tobaza the city boss. So blessing not today frequent for social media. And by the matter of ground concerning Papa Wala and Destiny that we are about to talk about. The bless about not to do the current with all the talk we they go on about this matter since when this matter starts for social media. So about what I want to tell you, what you they talk just now say if any audio there or video there or whatever where Papa Wala don't say me there somebody insult Destiny. Yes, I just posted one there. I just posted one. Man, I stand when I am my brother. Mami already man I tell my social media you go game and the social media. Near ya rove your sinyani. Eva or they guilty. Wherever you they guilty. Where do I allow Destiny or they guilty we matter how? Ruda audio no lati yani mana hon. The owohe edimofi when the agberu wa lagun where Red Destiny one Red Destiny turn Red Destiny win up okay and they say the mofini always have a platform already while paying 150,000 naira already while paying 150,000 naira I am share video is on my platform there about man when I am my brother already while paying 150,000 naira near ya insulted Destiny bagwa o me ya we o takma or munya eva in that regards. Good away when everyone go get the Mofi. The Mofi mother beer or mother beer if you say everyone go get back and then Destiny go get I call it to the Mofi or we ever go get you know the Mofi man now or everyone go get a Destiny back go get yeah, okay. When you are doing if I don't have mom, no say near na go get the Mofi. And we are over convinced where the Mofi go get with social media. Why? The business of money argument with social media presenter near na you go Tanzania. And the Mofi do while not paying 150,000 naira when you yak with Destiny. Ya bat a reader bat in me ba or young win is a get now in life. What is that? Uta ba or munya in that regards. No one turn him where wala a real Destiny. Me my brother Batobase. Because I was here because I prove it all. The Dimofia tiger videos no yata. Understand? When the wala go gin when the Destiny way are go gin when you wala way are go gin 150,000 when you are in the judge and Destiny with social media so tap munya if I that regard or you have a bolo kwawa where we na batty and na batty no high ban where you don't see any Destiny na yemo get a nickel picture any area like my brother I do we for in here I do we for ore nickel picture ni gini aro paro na here release nickel picture ka we ka awona do na we ke ore nickel picture ni ogi mu Destiny my brother okay ke wa gwale mani su mani why go liyan latian cause a platform Monica and na do kidani adoni o no call a platform ni no we have go do talking on gba su mani wa so amu epogbin ya we no din ase ya asa alright do dey nickel picture na or in do see na wetin me fa na go egbin agbina go ori sie e manigi ya pa hie Nika pishoni, Nigi Basayo, when you are here Latia, Nigi Gojo ye, Ni Sumani, Ni Nika pishoni river, Yana Sumani where Yan most to the Latia. What's one way for Buyan can already say, one way cat me a while with Buyan. Cause what dog e manide Nika pishoni Ladia, all your sia, all your siame nosioni. All your siame nosioni. You cannot expect to open an Nika pishoni Ladia with my brother Muyoto Egui or we on it. It's not done. It's not done, my dear. It's not done. My son that way when I went on him. Or I son that when my brother. You will understand. You will prepare. You will pray to again. You understand even I. So when I son that way you can speak. Or as soon that when a Nika picture, I in social media now. Because I have a toba set a banya okay, a Nika picture ni, or a destiny Latina, or you a destiny ye here be your, or you move your sapo your, you move your, my brother before uncle. About toba say, before uncle, I wait that way, my brother. Tamata, it's too much. So I don't get a matter now, or I ye time social media now, or I tango. Because ya kere Nika picture ni Latin. Ya we na mo honi mo destiny lie. It doesn't na ha mo honi well. Ye man my eva. Ye man fear if you ni viego. Aba me okpa ni ya black man if you ni vie. All of your mo bugbe. At the end of the day, a destiny him if you ni vie ya weapon. Eba ni ona mi ekwe or we marry go ne destiny. A destiny man me ego. Now you not ask yourself. They not say na release any picture biani. You mean my brother Abataba say. So why so am I bogbe money? E money is money. Ni him power. No any capital ni Latin. Adobo me to anige. Who give me 50,000 euro ne or 2,500,000 euro. Who could do bobo wa no yani. We are the capital Latin. So why every none of here go to na. Mami o yeta. There you made the Ia queer boy at this way, do not buy any. Emanigi, Nika Pishoni, Nigi mon power here, Nigi so more when you are any capital Yaniladia. Yes, I am a bogmuya, you go winner, if you don't die a dear say. Yeah, go here, because I see near coming to me is the highest on social media. Or Tigbabe. Monica, everywhere your boy silo, anywhere your boss was silo is too much. Anywhere your boy silo, a senumeti zoe, QW carry the DC. I read the Mio Gazi with social media. And you can picture one warrior lad. Or dog be taking ya. Or Tima Fana Yago, guys. Oh, here we are settling, we are settling. We are case one. We are case one. Ubagaya, or beg in work social media. That any picture of animal, my brother Muyoto, there's on Wagi Gui. There's on Wagi Gui. Any picture of Lajane. And you say, already made the way, and they trust them. No, you don't trust them. Because a platform money, you know, my FFK generating platform the movie. He said it. Where do I you go again? And then destiny we are we gonna do what again? You the near the movie or how we video ma. You know about 600 or 700,000 or 800,000 now we yeah. You go ready ya. Where do I go again? Why? About who are high or Hamatana or Hiata Batobaze, who Kakabozo the Coco Norola. You will not ask yourself. There is a video to that effect, what I'm saying. A video that the movie or how we do Walala the audience about 800,000. Why? What for? Umenia. Yeah, we are settlement. It's truth. Yeah, fine. In our settlement, I will go at this stage. Ubege. Oh, not the way destiny la jandogua. Oh, not any care. Oh, not go away never. Yeah, any capital very latiane. And Vera Yakanek Bono Hakanek by here. I do for me in here, no do will for. I do will for. Even Monica Yanika picture destiny on YouTube very Facebook. Mamma, it's a hole. Otain hole. Otan hole no toss my wase. Mother son when I want how of you do get Nika picture or how very go. A Nika picture and how you go. Only walk back so money. Only walk back planning nani. Mena. Then a destiny now with Via Webo. If you don't make way, get destiny ma mi go ye ma di go ne destiny about o yi ma we eru wala ga yin ma we monica o ga ria webo cause a video re ni me social media sinya eni eru wala yan it's rising up I don't paro no me tita social media we na do ga we wo amana mi ebo ne ni ati yo o na da zo me eru wala to boy ya ha ni gbe wo na ma mi ahara ma we to do bi eni e ya do ga to ga platform re ma sa na ya wa do ga wa ni do say na o ma ni de ni ke bishop ya ni laje cause wa do ga yan about yi ka we ni ke bishop ya no de laje o ya ni mo wuji o ga gele go ke de o ga ni ke bishop ya ni ye mo wuji o ya ni ma o no mo o ga si no o ma mo ita my brother about pasa o ma mo o ga. So the question is, who are the people behind the naked picture? What the one in what way? Oh, why po one bia? Eyo she heme. Iye de Lamborghini. Imoto no get transfer uta gbona e mubai. Eyo wa she heme say, o ma bo wa mu no bia ni. O ma di moto ne. What warrant it? Why warrant a naked picture? Oh, ani nugu di Latin. Umiania. So about say. And because of your video where I sing, now make me come out this evening, my brother. You understand? You say if any video there, any audio there, where Papa Wala take call anybody, see me anybody call insult destiny. Now I share that video of Daddy Gio, Dimorphy. Where Dimorphy say talk for a platform. For a platform say. Because I wear the Murphy way just know how me you while I re. The Murphy the said the Murphy you will have me man where elu while na the one there 50,000 naira gin ye ya is sorted the Murphy. My be about over say so do what settle in ya. Why the word the other one can't speak, the other one no can't speak. Yeah, no can you speak. The Murphy tiny. Unless it's if you where the Murphy tie the Murphy give banyan ori. Of all yeah, he not to speak. Yeah, let the Murphy ma banya ore. When the wala ati the Murphy rigogie, e re destiny bagbo ya ati the Murphy rigogie. Yeah, vine gbina the Murphy gbina ni ya. Yeah, va oze ni ado na the Murphy cover up ni ya. Umianya. So na do carry ni ke picture no ike Kenya wa mo bogbe mani. E wan give me bo we ni ke picture no wa mo bogbe ya. Wa mo bogbe mani give me bo ni gi sumare ni ke picture o bia lajo. Ba ni mari yan ka mari yan o ga to magbe yan mojuwa. E me yan sorry dia o sorry na dia no see. Umianya. The third the last one about the last one. I'm glad we're talking about this matter. Mindful. I'm glad we tie. So the last thing which open market hame adaze otion re adaze wan re eru wala we e matter na my brother e ti go go no agele ya mo boy you dem matter. You are not trying to wear you are not trying to please anybody. You are trying to clear your name. Awu okono ro don't extend na brakwe na ono sikawa. You don't extend we aya gbegbe as I doesn't want to ro hini. Wan ya re otion so eru wala ya mo boyo. It's your name. That is it. You understand when the social media you have me imagine ya everyone allow destiny aye mo phone. Nya eva it any presenter ba. Do aware Roviona is sort on ani ari go get anybody. Cause ya do when if no ye sununa or ye do sunu. Aye ya sa me ma when I ali ke ha me ma with the man sort on we gain a there all the time with social media. All the for on sawa. Everything we open. Do very go gear when we are every year or the audio ya God to pay. So everybody can not make a sunuda and I believe where all of them will learn. Yeah, learn. You man even learn problem you know. So I know about my brother. The more fit I do 150,000 gain. A video on another time me what I show a banner. Because me want me video about now me marry just all video me tell what I don't want to be you don't share all video e mate oniga but me na about na me about me video na that boy they told me video na on you know ya igwan ye di matter so about guy me video about guy me video ni me we gbe show e ban so he be gbe lati on ino ya ma me ita e ni egi la go popa o wa egi nya eva ori abe na call social media presenter iri go ge social media presenter nya eva ori abe ni ona ikore we ni ke picture na re lati my brother o we ni si ga gba heve gbo yan e no idu e ma gun e. You cannot tell the man I didn't care picture like that. Action no take when no ya baby where you thought here, when no ya feel anybody here. You can't say that. You can't say that anymore. Nigga do wopo. Understand? The only thing you hear was a Benin person. And my nigga sumani ye nigga panic picture ni. Wa am bogbi am bogbi igyobuya. Wa hamia we am body agbon ya wood ya wu this life. I would ya wu e no dia say here sani. Unless don't me no ya ni gunya de. Ni ana suma we nike picture no wana panwa. Arudo ni ana we o wani we marry wo ne o ma minyego. About say my brother. You understand? I can see where ultra no guayemina or matter. You have to have all your fats. Umana me fats we bo wa gwa your everywhere because let my mama video we banya. Me go we me video ni or you me we sure about. So I was trying to tag you. I wasn't able to tag it to you. I will see if I can send it to you on Messenger so you can listen to it. So you'll be able to have have all your facts. Make an aware. Okay, na team and the social media. It do am me boni. Understand? Uta no mo eruwala mo destiny. Because at the end of the day, that the GO president of social media. Or where do I latin already go gin ni yaro with destiny. If you don't me sure about or where the destiny be are go gin. Understand? So man I do me audio ne o the mo fina we agwa eruwala gwa. Ojo ne ruwala ojo no gi latiana ya you understand no ya we the destiny wo na the destiny ma we no wa do mie utakpa o mo destiny ruwala in that area ni utakpa mu ya eva ya wa blame you ni ma understand ruwala ma pure area ni the most destiny ma pure area ni umi ya my brother Abatoba say ya eva ma pure ya eva na afi sorry na ro they are no innocent abwa ubege no. So the one in the capital one Latina, the other one is plotting. Anybody knowing the 150,000 no one we don't wear is sort of that person is plotting. We don't wear go on social media 150,000. No more munye. If read the money, no one make. You say 150,000 given the social media near is sort of. What me come on? Come on, you're not innocent. You're not innocent. Because the Murphy when I go gin, destiny go gin. So yeah, I will feel sorry near one. E cannot hang area in your day. Omian bats. So any capital where all your money here, but you all money. Oh, yeah, I can't bear so do for me. I do will forgive him. Is your wife and your boy for water. Oh, not any capital Latia. You cannot tell that person out to her hiding bay. Awa. You can't say that. I didn't take a picture with me and when me on the social media. So you can't tell that person. Oh yeah, we are Tanai. We are Tanai. Yeah, tomorrow, anyway, you won't know but by what. But many at Tapia, they want to only a bayabon, not a lot of Mujane. Well, no, town no. So I need to know how that's no yak been by a boy. Okay, a nickel picture and over the near Latiani. Mara so we are to know here, Nick Boala, the one my bogbe man, he won't pove any picture ni. Eh, man, nigga, Sumari here. Nigga, by one my bogbuya. One my bogbuya, my bogbuya. So, my people, I want to say this in closing. Carry taban with a better because we know here, manana, yatalo. Amenia. So, the closing, what I'm going to say, closing is this. Where a video ni bunime with social media scene, a maso neru wala mafo. Understand? So the only thing I clean a neru wala. Why do I destiny your destiny cannot clean a neru wala with matana? I'm telling you guys. Oh, honey, destiny neru wala ni am video and I'm with bed and I kiss a bit. A neru wala you for I don't know time. Wabenia, I don't know time. I tell Monica a baby way to the naya. Emma no go with Sagaya and neru wala and see social media. I've been saying videos of what. A destiny made him a question in Nana. No Karuwala. When a destiny move via area webo. When a Ruwala at your boy. Game a wona. Obanka ye kan. That is why Vasinaka wadi very first time nahi. So if you know who no. There you anytime Monica decide where because a saga Monica or the phone yari by. Ukyobanaya. A saga Monica or the phone yari by. Oh my way rari rere. Emerere that we are here my way. Ubanga. So we are my way our pension problem hero. Monsa iya only work kemonu bia ya ni wala ya de kwatoi. Ere wala ha we de na ka wala ya atase me social media. Awo we Monica wa ma ho a. Gano ya ari CD ere ga DNA CD. So I know. So awaniwa eru wala o ya mo boy matani. O ya mo bojo. E social media ma ya na. O ma ka mana. Understand? O ya mo boyo ko se and when Monica go away sagasinya, and it will allow you loud. Oh, you loud. We have to say it as it is. And the honey, a matter of my destiny. Both of them can settle. We want them to settle their wife. Though brother, we love them so much. Near settle. I mean, yes, so yeah. Okay, you know the kind a CDA. Nebo tia DNA. Keve, what you yeah, or ya wo Monica honoro wajo eruwala o ya mo boyoni a cleaning ye ye man ba ye man eva no we gbe taleli or him mo boyo a sharp tie clothes we matter na mother say oh gbado asie destiny have to come out and talk what I oh we time the mafia all the way matter my that can only even stop anything. Any or you stop anything. Mother stand me na ya. Everyone the movie settle ne ma go niya. Ma we only have destiny. Anybody no igbagu we only have settle. Mother, for the money Monica ya ye ma iwe saga. The more eri ne wala ya laja. Makata derio. So no ya mo boy no ya cleaning ni. E dia no we ni wa hin. Nobody will measure his name anymore. We do no so. I know a video na bati huba ni mie or ya me where a corner or you one side and one corner side one corner dancing ga agbeba or ma made the other video ne decide the mofi ne wo jo egun yen ba no we how eru wala de 150,000 naira gin ne ya arove desi ne ba gwa obegenya so ya eva or call the presenter or the oge presenter eni agwa lowo yan commune so now they will use it to learn. Stay your lane. Or Timago or where I want to Italy or Jamaica respect to piani. When you are trying to rubbish no piani social media. A platform at the muffin you know. Have you a muffin will like you congratulate you will be fine. Girl or marry, fine. That was then. When no piani when any social media presenter no la jante where area or where I want to near to ni no ba. Yeah, where I want to go eri calling ye eri mo mama gin eri origo gin obere na coste le ore oni mani gwale respect ni gbin wa ni fifile le social media presenter here rigo gin do ata le tata to manya e na miebo o wa ya miwo na ora su wa gbe wa na ege ni go ma ginu wa ya mo bola ti wa ya ha ni gbuwa there yo o wa do asie destiny come out at what do tai iro paro no pe ni ata. Oh no, but now the Nika picture Elatia. Well, my boy, once so just near no here, let it breathe. Nika picture Elatia, Nika picture of my Latia on social media. Mother standing with nine. Am I Latia? So, oh no, what tell me, go where or him, my well no way at your boy. Oh no, here, that no him and I oh yeah, my posho. Abi, Eddie may say, well, oh no, here if you wait, you are no him and I oh yeah, at your boy. Oh no, we walk on a road of him and I walk on a road. Oh yeah, at your boy. Yeah. Everywhere will be silent. So the truth has to be said. My understanding when I am about Thomas my brother. Oh, rezo etagui. And so no more questions here in Masha. And when you are settled, Masha gualo. So compano. Why I said to a day destiny will allow anybody why I said to here. People should stop it. Oh, what the way a red destiny I call it the Mofi wa tell me Ruwala. A red Ruwala I call it destiny. Tell me a call it the Mofi. Tell me destiny. Cause the more fear like the wala they want that 50,000 naira again. They don't say the wala man don't deep book a matter anywhere. The amount of money I will get the more fear no with destiny. So why you are calling a destiny out? Call it wala what ever out. Me I don't go a platform about your say. And me and the more fear we are then they come and debunk it there. So they will settle themselves and be I'll be happy. So that work about settle young why settle young war a matter no why we here. Oh, you can go who no what the near wala ya love yeke. Oh, ya mo posho. Ye ma pa ma eva. Eri me me save yeto. My other social media. My can Mario why ato.